Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to change password on Samsung. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first one to do is go ahead and open the settings app. On the settings, scroll down, locate and click on lock screen and AOD. Then, locate and click on screen lock and biometrics. Confirm your current password or PIN and click on done. Then, if you set PIN, you should see your PIN, password, pattern, and then to change your PIN or password, all you simply need to do is go ahead and click on the PIN or the password you want to change. Now go ahead and type in the new PIN. Then you should say, remember this PIN. If you forgot it, you will need to reset your phone and all data will be erased. At least 6 digits is recommended. So go ahead and type in your new PIN. Confirm the PIN again. Now, if you want to use password, you need to follow the same route. So just go ahead, type in your PIN, and then under secure lock and biometrics, click on password. Go ahead and type in your password, and your password must contain at least 4 characters, including at least 1 letter, and that's it. So that's exactly how to change password on Samsung. If you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.